See, let us discuss the topic called specification of tokens. And here what we are going to see, we will understand what is a string and what is a language and what is the prefix, suffix and substring of particular string. Everything we will understand here. The basics of languages. This is nothing but basics of languages. So we will start with the string. String is a collection of characters. We already know that the string is a collection of characters. Language is a collection of strings. So we will take some collection of strings and we will call it as a language. Then after that we have prefix of s. Look at the example of prefix. Suppose a string obtained by removing 0 or more trailing symbols of a particular string s, then it is called as prefix. Prefix of s. Suppose here the example string is banana, right? And what is the prefix here? What is the prefix we can take? What is the prefix we can take? ban is the prefix. So we are going to remove the trailing symbols, the symbols that arrives in the last. Suppose if when I remove those symbols and when I take possible terms, they will be called as prefixes. B is a prefix, BA is a prefix, BAN is a prefix, BANA is a prefix. Like that there are some prefixes. Okay, and we will take suffix here. A string obtained by removing 0 or more leading symbols of the string. Suppose when we leave the leading symbols, when we leave the trailing symbols, that will be called as prefix. When we leave the leading symbols in the sense the symbols which comes in the beginning itself. So here in the example you can see the same example we have taken, banana, but what is the suffix we have taken? We have not taken the starting symbols, they are nothing but leading symbols, and finally we have taken 4 characters, NA. Those were the 4 characters we have taken, and that will be considered as suffix of s. The next one is a substring of s. What is the substring? Say string obtained by removing prefix and suffix, it is called substring. So when I take the middle part of the string, so the middle part of the string by leaving the prefix and suffix from s, we will call it as a substring of s. So what is a proper prefix and suffix and proper substring? We will see that any non-empty string x that is respectively proper suffix, prefix or substring of s such that s should not be equal to x. So proper prefix means what? The statement, whatever the string we have taken, that should not matches with the substring of that particular string. Here I am denoting string with x and I am denoting substring with s. So if s and x do not matches, then it will be called as proper prefix, proper suffix and proper substring of s. And next, subsequence of s. So a string that can be obtained by removing 0 or more not necessarily contiguous symbols. Contiguous means continuous symbols. So here we are not taking continuous symbols. That's why we are getting a subsequence of s is b followed by triple a. BAAA is a subsequence of banana. What we are taking here, we are removing some. We are not taking the continuous symbols. And you see the spelling of banana here, BANA and NA. We are going to remove the symbols in some order. See here we have removed n. After the 2 letters of BA, and we also removed the n after the letter followed by a here. So after removing not necessarily the contiguous symbols, it is not necessary to remove the continuous symbols. You can remove any of the symbols in the particular string, so that you can take that as a subsequence of the string. Next one, see, this is an exercise, you can do it. I am asking you to write prefix, suffix, substring, proper prefix, proper suffix and subsequence of the following string. So we have seen the example for banana, right? Now I am asking you to write the prefixes, suffixes, substrings, proper prefixes, everything for this particular string compiler. Okay, do it. And next we are going to see operations on languages. We are going to see the operations on languages. So what are the operations we have seen in the languages? Union operation. In the previous classes itself, formal languages automata theory itself, you might have studied what is an union operation. So union of L and M can be written as L union M. L union M. Example you see here. If a string is present in L, or a string is present or otherwise a string is present in M, then we can take that L union M. So what we are going to take here, union operation, we are going to perform union operation between L and M, right? Concatenation of language. What is concatenation of language? Concatenation means we will just add two strings. We will just combine two strings. That is called concatenation. So the language you see here, concatenation means we will just combine both the letters L and M, which is called as concatenation. We will see the examples. We will also see the examples. And you see the clean closure of language. Clean closure is denoted with star. Clean closure of language is denoted with star symbol. We will also see the meaning of this clean closure. Positive closure of L, and it is denoted with plus symbol. Positive closure is denoted with plus symbol. Clean closure is denoted with star. Concatenation of L and M can be written as LM. Union operation of L and M will be written as L union M. So we will see some examples. We will also see the examples. These are the basic operations of languages. There are several operations we have: union, concatenation, clean closure, positive closure, and we have seen some other operations like intersection. Also, intersection is one of the operations. Like that, there are several operations on languages, which we have already known this. We have studied this basic concept in the earlier classes. Okay, this is about operations on languages and strings and languages. So in the specification of tokens, we are done with the strings and languages, and the next one is operations on languages. So this is about specification of tokens. So if the specification of tokens if you want to address the specification of tokens, you need to mention what is prefix, suffix, substring, proper prefix, proper suffix, subsequence of S. Similarly, you need to mention some operations of languages like union, concatenation, clean closure, positive closure, etc. These are the operations of languages.